it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys know, it's Pride Month and there are rainbow makeup looks everywhere. So I decided to try something different. Instead of doing one look with all the colors of the rainbow, I decided to kind of break the rainbow down into all its colors and create a look using one color per day for the next couple of days. In my previous video, I already started with red, so you can go check that out. I'll leave a link somewhere here. Yeah, this is the second day and I'm going to be creating a look using orange. So let's get right to this video. Okay guys, so I already did my brows off camera just to save some time. So I'm gonna move on to prime my lids with some concealer. So to prime, I'm using this LGBTQ Pro concealer in pure beige. So I'm gonna let this dry down real quick. I'm just blending. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna set my eyes real quick. I'm gonna use this classic makeup pressed powder. This shade is Pure Light. Taking this fluffy brush. Okay guys, so next up I'm gonna take this neutral palette and taking this white. I'm doing this to create kind of like a gradient effect. So next I'm gonna take this section of the palette because you can move them obviously. So I'm gonna take this orange right here. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this shade here, which is a little lighter, with the same brush. So you can see the difference between this eye and this one. This is kind of lighter than this. That is kind of what I'm going for right now. So now I'm just blending it upwards closer to my brow. Now I'm gonna go back into this palette with a fluffy brush, another brush. I'm taking this shade here. So now I'm just going back in with the first shade I used. Are we good? Now I'm just gonna line my eyes real quick with this ingot liner. Next I'm gonna do my lashes real quick with my mascara. Next I'm gonna just pop on my lashes onto the rest of my face. Okay guys, so next I'm going to do my waterline. So now I'm going to take this coppery shade right here. It's like a burnt orange. So I'm going to quickly powder my face. I'm using this classic makeup pressed powder. This shade is light. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to spray. For my lips, I'm going to take this True Lips liner pencil. So to fill in my lips, I'm going to take this lipstick from 3E Style Nanda. I did a review on this kit, so you can check it out. This shade is Inked Hot. So to top it up, I'm using this ultra glossy lip from ColourPop. This shade is Hot Headed. Now to highlight, I'm going to use this Baked Blush Goddess from Beauty UK. Finally. Look guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This one is dedicated to all those who are still kind of figuring things out. I just want you to know that it's okay to take your time, as long as it takes. No rush, no hurry. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. If you haven't already, do turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Okay? Yeah. And I'll see you tomorrow with another look.